My driver Brian. Right, so we got this book, this one, out of a gardening magazine called 2 for 1 Gardens, and you can go and visit all these gardens all around the country for the price of 2 for 1, obviously because it's 2 for 1 Gardens. And today we're going to go to Farringford Estate, where Alfred Lord Tennyson used to live in the 1800s, and he was a very keen gardener. So we're going to take you there on our little trip. I like it in the summertime when the trees grow over the road and they make like a little arch, so it feels like you're going in a tunnel. Oh, we're here.
Oh no, please use book drive.
Oh. It's
Big enough, isn't
very
it?
exciting. I've wanted to come here for my whole life.
Sun's coming out.
Yay! There's Super Gran. Here we go. Farringford Gardens. The home of Tennyson. Oh, he lived in a pretty ugly looking container made of concrete.
Must have sure done it. Poetry, it's the way forward.
It's so exciting. This award-winning walled garden has been restored and recreated with the help of Emily Tennyson's journal and the watercolours of Helen Allingham. It was a truly beautiful place to visit, and the gardens are open seasonally on selective days of the week. I would absolutely love to have a greenhouse like this in my garden. Once in a golden hour, I cast to earth a seed. Up there came a flower. The people said a reed. That's what you do, you're so sweet. To and fro they went, through my garden bower, and muttering discontent, cursed me and my flower. Then it grew so tall, it wore a crown of light, but thieves from over the wall stole the seed by night. Sowed it far and wide, by every town and tower, till all the people cried, splendid flower. Oh my goodness, check out this pad. That's some nice looking bushes growing around there. If we win bingo tonight, we might be able to get a house like this. Farringford House is a fully restored Grade 1 listed house. It was the home of Alfred Tennyson, the most famous poet of the Victorian era. This is the little map that you get given to show your way around the gardens. I'd really like one of these in my garden. If anyone knows what it is, please can you let me know in the comments below. Thank you. We're going to take you over to the restoration exhibition, which we can't film in, but we'll go and see what it's like. But I would so recommend coming here to look around the gardens. They're absolutely beautiful, and it costs you £4, and the place is huge, and it's just stunning. Really, really lovely. I'm just about to enter my idea of what heaven would look like. Imagine having this as your garden. And now it's time to take you back to the caravan site where we're staying for a couple of days. Yeah, we didn't mention that, did we? We booked this mini holiday for 4 nights using Sun tokens as Brian's mum had come to stay. It was such a bargain, and we even had sea views from our caravan. We're going to bingo. We're going to go and get our bingo tickets, and then we're going to go to bingo because that is how we roll. There was a handy little shop and a chippy. Ready for bingo. Got one of those pens that you have at school that changes colour. The bingo linked up with all the other park dean resorts around the country, and some of the prizes were like 2,000 actual pounds. We didn't win though. The next day we went for a walk, and my daughters Ella and Chloe came to visit with their friend's dog Hippo. We're off down the beach. There's the park and the clubhouse. In part 2 we take you on the Allen Bay chairlift and a boat trip to the beautiful Needles.